Soon after bitch I yak about Zion roots. Don't know.
Deep meditation with Rasta. Oh, Ya Mon. Circle a virgin fire ablaze. Drum them a beat, night full of praise. Under the stars we hold it tight. One drop make the spirit light. Me said it no matter where you from, Africa, Europe or Vietnam. One draw link with me tell you true. In this moment me feel brand new. When I talk about stress or pain, just rhythm ganja and gyrate. Me pass the chalice, you pass the smile. In the circle life makes sense a while. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. Yes, we blaze the night till morning light. Smoke rise like prayer to sky, and me feel just spirit nearby. Me sister laugh, me brother sing. It's a real life roots man reasoning. You don't need millions or gold chain. Real riches come from healing pain. We not boast, we share what we grow. Inna the ground, the truth still flow. One rhythm, one spliff, one vibe. We dance away, Babylon tribe. Me no need no throne or fame. One draw connect, we all the same. One draw, one love, one heart, one fire. Lift up the soul, take it higher. No judgment, no race, just iris space. We chant together, we share one place. One draw, one love, all tribes unite. We blaze the night till morning light. One time for the youth them last. Two time for love that pay no cost. Three time for the roots man wait. Four time for live another day. Me not live for hype now show. Me live for the people, the trees we grow. Every draw is a gift from Jah. So we praise for the herbs, the star. One draw, one love, bless the nation. Reggae music, herb meditation. Unity at the highest grade. Come together, no man afraid. One draw, one chant, one reason deep. No secrets, no lies we keep. Me mother said, child live clean and true. Me father said, praise Jah in all you do. Me elder said, smoke with respect. So me light up the herb with full intellect. Me not abuse, me use fi heal, fi balance heart and make me feel. Me sip me roots tonic, me dance and sing. One draw at the gateway fi everything. So come your friend, me open the gates. No time fi hate, no time fi wait. The fire blaze, the rhythm roll, and ganja unite the broken soul. Under moonlight we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it shine. This roots man love are truly divine. One draw, one love, we chant away to Zion hills where peace a stay. So light it up and make it.
Lionheart, still Lionheart, Lionheart. Oi oi oi, Kingston Kush, inna the cocos bang Ya Mon. Me sit on the stone in the morning light. The world still dark, but me soul shine bright. Me close me eyes, me feel the breeze. Me heart beat slow, me spirit at ease. Me nah fight shadow, me build in a flame. Me call Jah name, me no look for fame. Me listen to the trees, them sway and bend. Each leaf a prayer, each breath me friend. Me burn a spliff, but me mind stay clean. It's meditation, not just a scene. Me search within, me find me path. Like lion roar, me escape the wrath. Lion heart, stand strong and still, even when the world go cold and ill. Lion heart, chant through the storm, peace in a soul, wisdom transform. Lion heart, roar soft and deep, in a love and roots, me soul keep. Me travel far, but me never move, easy in me mind, me start to groove. Each thought a rhythm, each breath a key, unlocking truths that just show me. Me see me fear, but me no run, me face it like the rising sun. Me see desire, me let it go, cause true freedom come from the flow. Me sip me tea, herbs steep in cup, wisdom in the leaves when the steam rise up. Me feel connected to all creation, a part of the one, no separation. The lion roar, quiet but fierce, cut through lies, the veil it pierce. Me not shout, me just breathe in a silence, me sow the seed. Roots dig deep, soul rise high, like smoke curl up into just sky. Me no need no validation, me walk with I on vibration. Lion heart, hold steady ground, even when the chaos sound. Lion heart, burn slow and true, with urban chant, me life renew. Lion heart, silent fire, fuel for me soul, lift me higher. Me no teach it with loud voice, me teach you present through choice. Me no chase what the world call gold, me chant feel warmth when the nights get cold. Me build strength from within the eye, me see me journey through Jah eye. Me walk with me ancestors close, them tell me Rasta do the most. Me reason with me brethren, talk truth in a evening wind. We share food, share smoke, share laugh, half a plate better than none and path. So if you see me quiet, don't mistake me, building peace that none can shake. Me lion heart beat, strong and wide, guided by Jah, me no need fi hide. Lion heart, meditation me keep, even when the mountain steep. For me, every moment sacred is, me live in truth, me live in bliss. Lion heart. Na 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 ganja, eating Rasta soul, Ya Mon. In a silence me walk alone, me spirit steady like carved in stone. Dub echo lead me way, me nah stray, me chant all day. Smoke rise from me chalice bowl, eternal fire purify me soul. No need for sword, me carry sound, me fight them system underground. Me nah wear no crown or chain, me wear vibration fi heal the pain. Every bassline like river flow, and every word plant seed fi grow. I'm a dub spirit warrior marching with the bass, drum and chant, me footstep grace. No blood, no war, just love me bring, meditation deep, me soul I sing. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and true, riding rhythm like winds that blew. Me herbs, me sound, me liberty, this roots man journey, I set I free. Me wake up early, sunrise light, give thanks for the breath, the gift of sight. Me sip ital tea, me chant and pray, me meditate and clear me way. Me not get trapped in Babylon scroll, me heart connect to higher goal. Each draw a reminder, each beat a flame, each note a whisper of Jah name. Sound system is me rum. Me spirit high, me mind stay on. Me thoughts in rhythm never stumble. See up, sir. Me nah run for fame or gold. Me run for the truth, fi never get sold. Jah love is the key and code, so me chant in a ancient mode. I'm a dub spirit warrior, barefoot on the ground. Sage smoke rise with healing sound. No ego, no chains, me walk in grace. I hold the drum like sacred space. I'm a dub spirit warrior, ancient and wise. Smoke in me lungs, stars in me eyes. One drop beat and a lion roar. Me chant till them Babylon walls no more. Me ancestors whisper in the breeze. Me feel them walk through sacred trees. Every heartbeat sing to drum. Me know exactly where me from. Roots man step, no fear, no stress. Me spirit armored in righteousness. Rhythm is me sword, dub is me shield. And inna the dance me battlefield. Me don't need fame or chat or crown. Me need a spliff and a bassline sound. Me need connection soul to soul. And reggae music fi keep I whole. Light it, pass it, feel it flow. Inna the dub rim, time moves slow. Jah whisper through the snare and bass, and me walk steady in holy place.
Aye, 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 the false Babylon. System lying to us. Break the false system, yeah, man. Me rise up with the sun on me face. Birds, them a sing. Me heart full of grace. Me stretch out me arms to the sky. Give thanks for life and the most high. Me boil me water, me herbs are steep. Sipping wisdom while the world still sleep. Vital food pan me plate real clean. No chemicals, me keep it green. Me roll me spliff with mindful hand. It's not for escape but overstand. Every leaf I give from the earth. Use with love, each me feel I worth. Urban harmony guide me soul in a natural liberty. Me feel whole, no stress, no worry. Me chant all day with drum and fire. Me clear me way. Urban harmony one with the land. Roots and rhythm in a Jahan. Me no rush, me move with flow. Like the breeze through mountain and meadow. Me life no governed by the clock. Me listen to the silence when me walk. Me see the children laugh and play. Them nah no stress from Babylon way. Me protect them with knowledge and love. Guide them like star from above. Me sit in a circle, elders nearby. Them tell stories of struggle and why. And still them smile, them wisdom shine. Me give thanks for each sacred sign. Balance is the key, me say again. Not too much pleasure, not too much pain. Herb a teacher, not a tie. For awakened soul, not just for joy. Me burn it slow, with chant and beat. Barefoot on the sand, no concrete. Every draw come with reflection. Me build up high in a connection. Urban harmony, sing the tune. Under the sun or the silver moon. Meditation are the guide me know. Like river run, the spirit flow. Urban harmony, it make me high. But still me grounded like mountain high. Me see Babylon rush with speed. But them forget about what we need. Not more screens or fake sensation. We need more groundation, meditation. Me nah hate, me just elevate. Me show a better way, me nah debate. True music and herbs me teach. A positive life, me always preach. Me sing for the farmer, growing greens. Me chant for the youth, them inner dreams. Me light for the elder, holding firm.
rise on the mountain crest. Birds a sing, Jah time fi rest. Me sit on stone, chalice in hand. Inhale the breath of Zion land. Me not check me phone, me check me soul. Each puff of herb make me feel whole. Me give thanks for life, for food, for air. Me reason with Jah in silent prayer. The dew on grass reflect Jah light. Me close me eyes, everything feel right. No worry, no war, no system scheme. Just roots man in a the sacred dream. Roots man meditation in a the hills. Ganja smoke and peaceful thrills. No nice, no hype, just inner truth. Chanting down Babylon from me youth. Me heart a drum, me soul a flame. Every drop call Jah name. Roots man live slow, live wise. Reasoning under African skies. Me reason with Jah through leaf and breeze. Through bamboo talk and dancing trees. Me say Jah oh fi guide me feet. Just say move with love, your path complete. No preacher, no pope, just earth and sound. Me find the message where truth is found. Ganja open me third eye door. Me sight things me never see before. Me see people chase illusion, living fast but losing fusion. Me tell them slow down, feel the beat. Reggae a teach you how fi eat, how fi speak. Roots man a hustle, roots man grow. We plant seeds and let Jah flow. In a silence we hear the truth. In a herb we find real proof. Meditation a roots man code. It a the map, feel life road. Nah need gold nor vanity. Jah give we peace and clarity. Roots man meditation deep and slow. Fire inside but calm like flow. We nah rage, we overstand. We trod this earth with gentle hand. One spliff, one chant, one rhythm line. And roots man feel the grand design. Inna me mind, inna me space. Me meet Jah face to face. Me hear the voice of ancient king. Him say youth listen to everything. Nature speak if you're quiet still. Ganja guide you with holy will. Me sip me bush tea, me hum me song. Me life feel rich, me heart feel strong. No rush, no race, me nah compete. Me walk Jah pace, me nah repeat. This life no bout likes or fame. It's bout fire inna your flame. So me share me herbs, me share me light. One love, one aim, one righteous fight. So when the morning light touch your face, find a quiet little sacred place. Light the chalice, give thanks and praise. For another chance, for brighter days.
Yeah man, Rastaman is Ya Man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never cease. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in
in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb. Me guide the chant, me shield. Me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when lost and blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me float through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rastaman must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the pot and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay. Open your mind. Nah, ganja and sweat, Ya Mon. Me rise up in the morning breeze. No alarm, just birds in trees. Sunlight kiss the Rasta face. Another day fi overstand the pace. Me stretch me limbs, me mind a clear. Me give Jah thanks fi still be here. A little herb, a little tea, balance me soul and energy. A meditation heals me, find me way. Me blaze and reason till night turn day. Me no chase the world, me just obey the voice of Jah. Me no go stray. Smoke rise high, me spirit glide. No stress, no war, no pride. Just peace inside and love outside. Me on this ride, Jah be me guide. Me no run down dollar, me run down roots. I eat all food cooking in bamboo shoots. Me reason deep with me sister in them. Talk about life and the heights of men. Me drum sound echo in a me chest. Every beat bring me soul to rest. Me know say Babylon still watch, but me stay firm like lion patch. Blaze for clarity, not just escape. Our herbs for healing, shape me fate. Love me weapon, peace me get. Me live simply, me live great. Now meditation heals me soul, me zone. With every breath, me come back home. No vanity, no mobile phone, just green trees and sacred tones. Smoke curl up like angel wing. Me chant for love, me chant and sing. Me see life in every living thing and give thanks for the vibes it bring. River run like redeem deep. Me bathe me skin, me soul me keep. Me sit on rock and close me eyes and reason with the butterflies. Me no care about who wear crown. Me care about joy, not status gown. The mountain tea can say. So me listen, learn and pray each day. Me trod slow, but me trod is strong. Even when life feel too long, me burn out doubt, me blaze up faith. Me never early, me never late. Rasta way on a trend of truth, a link to roots, an ancient youth, a levity beyond material thing, where every breath a holy swing, a meditation heals me soul rejoice. Me hear the drum, me hear Jah voice, no confusion, me have me choice. Feel live free and chant me voice. Smoke rise up in sacred style. Me and the Most High reason a while. From hillside prayer to city mile, me carry peace and Rasta smile.
Yeah, Mon kaya in a Rastaman lungs, ya man.
Me rise with the sun pan a mountain top. No phone, no clock, just me and just crap. Birds a sing, breeze a whisper me name. Peace na the heart, loving na the flame. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the day. Every puff of prayer, me troubles fade away. Me no need no riches, me no chase no gold. Me spirit stay young, though me body grow old. Hillside reasoning, under the sky so wide. Me reason with me brethren, no ego, no pride. Herb in a hand and wisdom in speech. We reach higher heights where Babylon can reach. Hillside reasoning, natural like the leaf. We burn down lies and chant out grief. In the hills we find truth so pure. With each draw we open the door. Me cook a ital stew with me coconut cream. Me nah eat meat, me nah live fi dream. Me live fi now, fi present, fi breath. Fi each moment me give thanks till death. Me dreadlock long, it tell me tale. A fire me walk through and storm and hail. Still me hold strong like ancient tree. Roots deep in Zion, me spirit stay free. Me chant Rastafari with every breath. Me praise the Most High, me nah fear death. Me temple clean, me conscience bright. Me live with truth, me sleep with light. Them can't fool I with politics and fame. Me can't be bought, me no play them game. Me seek the stillness where silence reign, and draw the herb to ease me brain. Hillside reasoning, beneath the starry sky, where Jah's voice echo and angels fly. Hillside reasoning, roots man know what Babylon hide. Rastaman show. Me take a walk down through the forest trail. Me meet a wise elder with skin so pale. She says, son, keep walking the narrow way. Jah light will guide you night and day. Me carry our words like stone in pack. Every time me slip, it guide me back. Me no stray far, me mind stay sharp. Even when the world get cold and dark. Me burn one split for the last and poor. For the youth them crying behind closed door. Me sing for love, me sing for hope. Me words like fire, me music like rope. Fi pull up souls from Babylon floor. Fi knock on hearts, fi open Jah door. Me no preach hate, me no say war. Me say peace and unity near and far. Hillside reason, from roots to sky. We chant them truths, them can't deny. Hillside reasoning, natural and free. Inna the hills me find the real meal me. Aye aye. Ya Mon. The white Aquasca. Early morning barefoot pon the land. Me feel the dew cool in me hand. No nice, just leaves a whisper soft. Your presence high, me spirit lift off. Me smoke a spliff, fi bless the way. Me mind get clear, me heart obey. Me no need no gold nor diamond ring. Just the breeze and birds that sing. Roots in the wind, me soul fly free. Rasta live slow, live consciously. From the hills to the sea, we chant unity. Blaze one down for tranquility. Roots in the wind, me eyes see truth. Balance the life from me early youth. Me trod with peace, me hold no grudge. Me spirit float like incense smudge. Me eat title, me soul stay clean. No poisoning on me daily routine. Me cook with herbs, me drink me tea. Me body temple for the most IG. Me no live fast like modern race. Me take me time and overstand grace. Me plant me food, me bless me ground. Every little thing got sacred sound. Louina whisper, stay humble, Rasta. Fire say keep the flame feature. Let it flow, me brethren. High earth remind, everything return again. Roots in the wind, me soul fly high. Smoke arise in a blue-green sky. Meditation take me far from stress. Me live in love, me chant for bless. Roots in the wind, me nah lose way. Me hold your word like light each day. Me feel the beat in every tree. The heart of Rasta, wild and free. Me sweep me yard, me wash me bowl. Me give thanks in a every role. Me no complain about what me lack. Me trust the path, me no look back. Me reason deep with me brethren crew. Talk about the stars and sky so blue. We light one up, fi overstand. How we connect from Ya own hand. Me no need no big church wall. Me temple is the river call. Me chant me psalms in breeze and flame. Me heart align with Jah true name. Me dance on earth, me sing with tree. Me find myself in simplicity. No social scroll, no media lie. Just mountain high and open sky. Roots in the wind, me journey long. But every step me move with song. No stress can hold me down again. Me ride the rhythm of sun and rain. Roots in the wind, and me give thanks for the love, for the life, for the herbal plants. Me keep it real in a Babylon spin. Still me grow strong from roots within. Light one more, I'll cheer me spirit soar. Right life a flow, Rasta no.
Yes, I am lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her off. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel your love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. In a this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing the song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like real
presence. When world get loud, she call me mine. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me nah need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen bout life. She say me nah born just fi be wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So light the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony we levitate. Ay, 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 Kingston, skunking on the paper. Me wake up with the sun in my face. Birds chant him in a sacred place. Me stretch me arms to the ancient breeze. Me barefoot step on the earth with ease. No concrete, no plastic scene, just green hills and water clean. Me no need no app to feel alive. Jah vibration make me thrive. Me nah rush, me nah compete. Me rhythm slow but solid like drum beat. Me heart in tune with the whispering leaf. The silence louder than modern grief. Roots run deep where the soul can grow. Far from Babylon and the digital flow. Me plant me dreams in a Zion soil. Me reap peace, me nah spoil. Roots run deep under full moonlight. Guide me path through darkest night. No man can sell what Jah provide. Me walk with truth as me ride. Me see the youth them lost in a screen, but real life more vivid than any meme. Me teach them love, me teach them chant. Me show them how the Naya bingy plant. We not followers of trend and hype. We blaze wisdom, we hold the pipe. Meditation under tree of age. Me spirit dance like lion in cage. Them say Rasta just a look or song, but Rasta is life ancient and strong. Me nah need label fi live this code. Me carry peace like Ya Mon. And one split fi the healing, and one beat fi the soul. So one love fi the children, one fire fi the goal. Me nah bend fi silver, nah sell me name. Me rather stay grounded in humble fame. From the root to the fruit, me story grow. Me carry the fire wherever me go. Roots run deep in a sacred ground. Me listen to earth, me love the sound. Me not stray from Jah design. Me path align like the stars align. Roots run deep in a heartbeat song. Me walk with the elders all along. Each step me take a reverent show to the source that make the spirit glow. Me no chase illusion, me hold vibration. Me chant down fear, me build foundation. System a shake but me tree stand still, because roots anchor deep in will. Them try distract with glitter screen, but Jah light brighter than any machine. Me turn me back pan vanity's mask. Me find me joy in a simple task. Plant the food, cook the steam. Reason in circle, share me dream. Rasta not compete in a world so fake. We bake our bread, we not take snake. So if you feel lost in a modern maze, take off your shoes, walk nature ways. Me promise you this, me swear it's true. The roots of life will carry you through.
Ganja, smoke ya man. Early na the morning, me rise with ya sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathing the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside on sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember worth. Roots of the morning light, guide me soul through darkest night. Herb in a me palm, chanting a me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise I speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh Jah, bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light, shine pa me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite, me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind resets. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.
Me rise up early, me ready fi fight. A warrior of the people standing in the light. Me no afraid fi defend the truth. Me rise for the youth, me rise for the roots. Them try fi break we down, them try fi control. But the spirit of the people, it touch me soul. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. But me nah back down, me nah go in vain. We rise together, the battle begun. Me a warrior for the people, the work's never done. Jah give the strength, Jah give the shield. Me stand firm, me never yield. Warrior of the people, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. Me no back down, me no run away. Warrior of the people, me lead the way. Warrior of the people, me hold the line. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the divine. Me no retreat, me no give up the fight. Warrior of the people, me hold the light. Me see the oppressors, them try to divide, but the people arise, we won't be denied. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the free. The strength of Jah guide, we destiny. We stand in unity, we stand in strength. Me fight for the people, me go the length. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the pain. We rise as warriors, we break the chain. Through the darkness, me see the light. Me a warrior for the people, me stay the fight. No matter the struggle, no matter the war, we stand strong, we ready for score. Warrior of the people, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. Me no back down, me no run away. Warrior of the people, me lead the way. Warrior of the people, me hold the line. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the divine. Me no retreat, me no give up the fight. Warrior of the people, me hold the light. Me rise, me fight, me never look back. A warrior of the people, me on the attack. We stand for the truth, we rise in the light. Warrior of the people, we take the fight. Me see the struggling on the ghetto street. The Babylon system trample the weak. But the people rise, me hear the call. We not give up, we rise above the fall. Them try to break the spirit, try to break the soul. But Jah guide the steps, me know the goal. Me see the youths, them fight for the right. Rise above Babylon, them can't dim the light. Them want to trap we in a chains of fear, but we not bow, we standing near. Jah power strong, Jah will so clear. Rise above Babylon, no more tear. Rise above Babylon, let the fire blaze. Me chant feed the truth, me set the pace. Rise above Babylon, the chains them fall. Me stand tall, me answer the call. Rise above Babylon, no retreat. We rise as one, we not accept defeat. Me rise above, me chant the truth. Me rise above Babylon, feed the youth. Them build the walls, them spread the hate, but we rise strong, we never late. Me see the fire burning at the heart of the youth. They march together, chant the truth. The elders say, we've seen the fight, but the next generation bring the light. We hold the faith, we hold the line. Just strength a guide, we feel the sign. We rise above the lies, above the greed. We chant feed the youth, feed the people in need. Me see the victory, it come for sure. Rise above Babylon, me chant for pure. Rise above Babylon, let the fire blaze. Me chant feed the truth, me set the pace. Rise above Babylon, the chains them fall. Me stand tall, me answer the call. Rise above Babylon, no retreat. We rise as one, we not accept defeat. Me rise above
above Babylon for the youth. Me see the children, me hear the cry. Me know the time for the people to fly. The struggle real, but the victory near. Rise above Babylon, we make it clear. Jah light a shine, the wicked fall. The people strong, we answer the call. Me hear the drum beats, me feel the sound. Rise above Babylon, stand firm, stand proud. Yeah, Zion roots. Zion Ako, Zion. We stand firm in the storm, me no fear the rain. Winds may blow, but me remain. Through the darkness, me hold the light. Me stand firm, me rise, me fight. Them try to break me, them try to pull me down. But me feet on the ground, me wear me crown. The storm may rage, but me heart full of strength. Me stand firm in the storm, me go the length. Me no give up, me no run away. Me face the battle, me rise every day. Me soul unshaken, me spirit unbound. Me stand firm in the storm, me feet on the ground. Stand firm in the storm, we rise above. Through the pain and strife, we show the love. Stand firm in the storm, no matter the fight. We walk with Jah, me rise in the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise as one. The battle ain't over till the victory's won. Stand firm in the storm, we hold the faith. We trust in Jah, me no hesitate. We face the trials, we face the pain, but the strength of the warriors we sustain. Me no bow down, me no break. We stand firm, we never shake. The storm may howl, the thunder may roar, but we stand firm, we ready for the war. Me heart full of courage, me soul full of fire. Stand firm in the storm, we never tire. The road may be long, the struggle deep, but me no fear the heights, me no fear the steep. We rise above the chaos, the rise in the fight. Me stand firm in the storm, me trust the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise above. Through the pain and strife, we show the love. Stand firm in the storm, no matter the fight. We walk with Jah, me rise in the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise as one. The battle ain't over till the victory's won. Stand firm in the storm, we hold the faith. We trust in Jah, me no hesitate. Me feel the winds, me feel the pressure, but me know me strength is Jah's treasure. We rise from the struggle, we no feel the strain. Me stand firm in the storm, me no feel the pain. Me walk with courage, me heart pure. We face the storm, me endure. We hold the truth, we hold the right. Me stand firm in the storm, in the light. Through the thunder, through the rain, we walk with me brothers, we no fear the strain. The storm may rage, but me no back down. We stand firm.
Smoke the bubbats.
Rolling through the hills with a spliff in a me hand. Bassline, heavy jam music in a divan. Me nah stress, me nah chase no goal. Me chase peace where the stories unfold. Rastaman the road with the windows down. Sunlight paint me locks like a lion crown. Me eyes low but me spirit high. Each puff me take, me reach Jah's sky. High vibration highway take me far from Babylon eyes. Cruising with the rhythm, chanting out jahs, burning bush. Me elevate, me soul in sync with the natural state. No chains, no cage, no deadline fright. Me steering wheel, all roots and light. Me ride with reason, not with rage. Me life a book, and this the page. Me meet a dread on the corner bend. He say blessed love, me brethren, me friend. He and me fruit from the mountain tree. Say real food come from simplicity. Me sip coconut straight from shell. Me story deeper than tongue can tell. This life not fake, not filtered screen. Me heart beat strong, me vision clean. Smoke rise to the heavens above. Me inhale truth, exhale love. Meditation keep me grounded so while me travel where the rivers flow. No map, no plan, me just trust the path. The journey itself make me laugh. Every mile me drive, me feel more whole. Every stop a lesson to the soul. High vibration highway take me where me free. From town to hills, to mountain sea. With rhythm and fire and ganja leaf, me find relief beneath belief. Jah wind guide me wheel tonight. Me roll in peace, me ride in light. Highway stretch like a lion's mane. Me soul unchained, me love remain. Smoke the bubbats. Rolling through the hills with a spliff in a me hand. Bassline, heavy jam music in a divan. Me nah stress, me nah chase no goal. Me chase peace where the stories unfold. Rastaman the road with the windows down. Sunlight paint me locks like a lion crown. Me eyes low but me spirit high. Each puff me take, me reach just sky. High vibration highway take me far from Babylon eyes. Cruising with the rhythm, chanting out jahs, burning bush, me elevate. Me soul in sync with the natural state. No chains, no cage, no deadline fright. Me steering wheel, all roots and light. Me ride with reason, not with rage. Me life a book, and this the page. Me meet a dread on the corner bend. He say blessed love, me brethren, me friend. He and me fruit from the mountain tree. Say real food come from simplicity. Me sip coconut straight from shell. Me story deeper than tongue can tell. This life not fake, not filtered screen. Me heart beat strong, me vision clean. Smoke rise to the heavens above. Me inhale truth, exhale love. Meditation keep me grounded so while me travel where the rivers flow. No map, no plan, me just trust the path. The journey itself make me laugh. Every mile me drive, me feel more whole. Every stop a lesson to the soul. High vibration highway take me where me free. From town to hills, to mountain sea. With rhythm and fire and ganja leaf, me find relief beneath belief. Jah wind guide me wheel tonight. Me roll in peace, me ride in light. Highway stretch like a lion's mane. Me soul unchained, me love remain.
Zion roots. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Me born a warrior, me no back down. Me stand up strong, me hold me ground. Me walk through the fire, me feel the heat. But me rise again, me never admit defeat. The battle's fierce, the road is tough, but the spirit is strong. We've had enough. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Me warrior spirit, me ready for the fight. Them want to break me, them want to see me fall, but me rise again. Me stand tall, me no fear the war, me no fear the pain. Me warrior spirit, me born for reign. Warrior spirit rise, me rise above. Through the darkness, me rising low. Warrior spirit rise, me never go down. Me stand for the truth, me wear the crown. Warrior spirit rise, me rise in light. Me face the storm, me face the night. Warrior spirit rise, me hold the flame. Me fight for Jah, me no play the game. Me walk the path of the righteous man. Me trust in Jah, me trust the plan. Me keep me head high, me keep me heart pure. Me warrior spirit, me always endure. Them try to bind me, them try to chain, but me heart is free, me no feel the strain. Me rise in the struggle, me rise in the fight. Me warrior spirit, me shine in the night. Me no bow down, me no kiss defeat. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the beat. Me walk with Jah, me walk with pride. Me warrior spirit, me cannot hide. Warrior spirit rise, me rise above. Through the darkness, me rise in love. Warrior spirit rise, me never go down. Me stand for the truth, me wear the crown. Warrior spirit rise, me rise in light. Me face the storm, me face the night. Warrior spirit rise, me hold the flame. Me fight for Jah, me no play the game. The battle may come, the fight may get hard, but me stand firm, me no feel the scars. Me rise with the warriors of the past. The warrior spirit, me hold it fast. Through the rain, me march with pride. Me hold me ground, me don't run, me don't hide. Me face the storm, me face the fight. Me warrior spirit, me walk in the light. Me no fear the pain, me no fear the loss. Me rise above, me cross the cost. Me fight for the Zion roots, Zion. Zion roots, you rise and chant. Zion roots, Zion. Zion roots, you rise and chant. We come from the roots, we come from the soil. We rise in the struggle, we fight for the spoil. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the youth, the strength of the roots. Them try to chain we down, them try to bind. But the roots of freedom, we carry the mind. No matter the obstacles, no matter the fight. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me see the Babylon, me see the lies, but we rise above it, me open the eyes. We stand for the truth, we stand for the free. The roots of freedom, the power we see. Roots of freedom, me rise and chant. Me stand for the truth, me never recant. We fight for the justice, we fight for the right. Roots of freedom, we walk in the light. Roots of freedom, we stand so tall. We rise above the lies, we rise above the fall. We fight for the people, for the land, for the soul. Roots of freedom, we rise and take control. We come from the trenches, we come from the struggle, but Jah guide me steps, me no gonna stumble. Me chant for the future, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the power of the roots, the truth. The system try to break we, but we no bend. The roots of freedom, we no pretend. We stand for the justice, we stand for the law. We rise above the hate, we rise above the flaw. Me see the change, me feel the fire. Roots of freedom, we never tire. Through see this way. Roots of freedom, we break the chain. We rise in the power, we rise in the flame. The journey long, but me know the path. Roots of freedom, me feel the wrath. Me no back down, me no fear the fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the right. We rise as lions, we rise as kings. We fight for the future, we fight for the wings. We stand for the freedom.
Zion Hakud, Zayaya. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them try to trap we, but we open we eyes. We rise above Babylon, rise above the greed. We rise in the light, we plant the seed. Them set fi destroy, them set fi divide. But me hold me ground, me no run and hide. Me chant fi the justice, me chant fi the peace. Me rise above Babylon, me rise from the leash. Me no bow down, me no fall fi the trick. Me rise as a lion, me stand fi the quick. Me hold me faith, me hold me truth. Rise above Babylon, protect the youth. Rise above Babylon, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. We fight for the people, we fight for the soul. Rise above Babylon, we take the control. Rise above Babylon, we rise in the flame. We break the chains, no more shame. We rise in unity, we rise in the song. Rise above Babylon, we weak, no more strong. Them try feel like we down, them try fi silence we vice. But we rise above it, we make the right choice. Me not afraid fi the system, me not afraid fi the war. Me rise above Babylon, me know who the star. Me chant fi the people, me chant fi the free. Me chant fi the children, the future we see. Them can't break we, them can't break the chain. Rise above Babylon, we rise again. Me no fear the pressure, me no fear the hate. Me know the truth, me know me faith. We rise in the struggle, we rise for the cause. Rise above Babylon, no matter the flaws. Rise above Babylon, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. We fight for the people, we fight for the soul. Rise above Babylon, we take the control. Rise above Babylon, we rise in the flame. We break the chains, no more shame. We rise in unity, we rise in the song. Rise above Babylon, we weak, no more strong. Me see the fire, me feel the heat. Me rise above Babylon, me stand on me feet. Me chant for the justice, me chant for the right. Rise above Babylon, we rise in the fight. Me see the future, me see